Hello everyone and welcome back to another daily tutorial video, and today I am going to be showing you how to change your sleep settings for your Windows 11 computer. So let's get it started. The first thing you want to do is go over to the start menu right here and just click on it and select settings. Once you are here, you just want to click on find a setting and you just want to type in the name of the setting, which in this case is, so here we have power, sleep, and battery settings. You just want to click on it. You can also find it by clicking on system and then going over to power right here. I just find that to be less efficient than searching for it directly. And here you can see your power mode, your screen, sleep, and hibernation timeouts. So you just want to click on it and turn my screen off after. This will be set to something like 10-15 minutes, and you just want to set them to never or whichever time you think is best for you. For me, I just do never just because I like to always be able to access my computer immediately. And if we click on power and sleep button controls, you can change the buttons. And yeah, that is how to change power and sleep. So yeah, that is how to change sleep settings for your Windows 11 computer. If you enjoyed this tutorial or found it useful in any way, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notifications, and I will be seeing you in the next one. Peace.